Hey guys, today we are going to be doing a soda video. We haven't done one of these in a long time. Today we're going to have Quinn see if she can taste test the difference between Dr. Pepper and Mr.Pibb. So I'm going to have her put a blindfold on right now. Go ahead and put the blindfold on. I'm going to pour this one into the first glass. That's the first one. Put this right here. And I'm going to pour this one into the second glass. And Quinn here is going to try them one at a time and let me know which one's better and then try to guess which one's which. So, cup A.
I think this one's Dr. Pepper.
This is cup B.
I think that one's Mr.Pibb.
Okay, which one's better?
A.
So, cup A is better, and you say cup A is?
Dr. Pepper.
Alright, you want to try them again just to make sure? Cup A. And cup B.
They taste almost the same.
Okay.
But I'm still sticking with my same answer.
Alright, so you were correct. Go ahead and take your blindfold off. Cup A was Dr. Pepper. Cup B was Mr.Pibb, and you prefer Dr. Pepper to Mr.Pibb? Okay. Quick taste test video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please
Thanks.
like,